The New York City subway system is widely regarded as the most efficient and convenient mode of transportation for navigating the bustling metropolis. It's essential to understand some key terminology and guidelines that will enhance your travel experience and help you navigate with confidence. Directional terms are crucial for orientation within the city, especially when using the subway. Uptown refers to northbound travel, directing passengers toward Upper Manhattan, the Bronx, and Queens. This term is commonly used when heading to destinations such as Central Park, Columbia University, or Yankee Stadium. Conversely, downtown indicates southbound movement, leading toward Lower Manhattan and Brooklyn. Travelers going to areas like Wall Street, the Brooklyn Bridge, or Coney Island would use downtown trains. The subway map employs a sophisticated color-coded system to differentiate between express and local stops, a feature that greatly aids in efficient travel planning and navigation. Express stops, denoted by prominent white dots on the map, are serviced by all trains on a particular line. These stations are typically major transfer points or popular destinations, acting as key hubs within the transportation network. Examples might include central business districts, tourist attractions, or intersections with other major transit lines. The strategic placement of these express stops facilitates rapid movement across the city for a large number of passengers. In contrast, local stops are marked by smaller black dots on the map. These stations are only served by local trains, while express trains bypass these stations to maintain faster travel times. Local stops often cater to residential areas or smaller commercial zones, providing comprehensive coverage of the urban landscape. This dual system of express and local services allows for optimized travel times, particularly for those going longer distances. Express trains, by making fewer stops, can cover greater distances more quickly, benefiting commuters traveling between major points in the city. Meanwhile, local trains ensure that all areas along the line remain accessible, maintaining a balance between speed and comprehensive coverage. Passengers need not be concerned about missing their intended stop, as the map clearly indicates which trains serve each station. This detailed information empowers travelers to plan their routes effectively, whether they prioritize speed or specific stop locations. The map may use additional symbols or text to show where express trains become local or vice versa. By familiarizing yourself with these map features, you can navigate the subway system with confidence, saving time and reducing the stress often associated with urban transportation. When entering a subway station, pay attention to directional signage to ensure you're heading the right way. Some entrances are designated for specific directions, such as downtown only. If you need to travel in the opposite direction, the corresponding entrance is typically located across the street. This setup prevents confusion and helps maintain the flow of passenger traffic. Entrances without directional specifications serve all routes, offering more flexibility for travelers. Paying your fare, MetroCard and Omni. The Metropolitan Transportation Authority, MTA, is modernizing its payment system, phasing out the traditional MetroCard in favor of a contactless payment method called Omni. This upgrade reflects the city's commitment to embracing technological advancements for improved service. MetroCard, available at vending machines and station booths. You can choose from Paper Ride, Unlimited Ride, 7-day or 30-day, and single ride cards. Omni, a contactless payment system allowing the use of smartphones or contactless credit/debit cards to tap and pay directly at the turnstile. Navigating the subway station. Inside the stations and trains, various informational aids assist passengers. Signs above each track indicate the direction and list the trains that stop there, helping riders confirm they're on the correct platform. Train cars are clearly marked with route information on both the front and sides, making it easy to identify the right train as it approaches. Many newer cars feature electronic displays showing the route and upcoming stops, enhancing the passenger experience with real-time information. Every subway car is equipped with a system map for passenger reference, ensuring that travelers can always double-check their route or plan connections. Boarding the train. Check the train's destination. Electronic signs strategically placed along the platform provide crucial information for passengers. These digital displays prominently showcase the arriving train's final destination, ensuring travelers can quickly confirm they're boarding the correct service. Additionally, these signs offer real-time updates on the train's expected arrival time, allowing passengers to plan their wait accordingly. Stand back from the platform edge. For safety, stay behind the yellow line. This crucial guideline is implemented on subway platforms to protect passengers from potential accidents. The yellow line serves as a visible boundary, clearly demarcating the safe zone from the hazardous area near the tracks. By maintaining a safe distance, travelers reduce the risk of falling onto the tracks or being struck by an incoming train, especially during crowded periods or when trains approach at high speeds. Additionally, this precaution helps prevent incidents caused by sudden movements, distractions, or loss of balance. Remember, adhering to this simple rule can significantly enhance your personal safety and contribute to a smoother, more secure transit experience for all passengers. Let passengers exit first. Allow people to exit the train before you board. Check the route map inside the train. Confirm that you are on the correct train by checking the route map inside the subway car. Transferring between lines. Know your transfer points. Your route plan will indicate where you need to transfer. Follow signs within the station to the connecting lines. Allow extra time. Transfers can involve walking through tunnels and climbing stairs, so give yourself a few extra minutes. Exiting the subway. Know your exit. Larger stations may have multiple exits. Look for signs directing you to the street or avenue you need. You don't need to swipe out, but some stations or systems like Omni may require it. Subway etiquette. To ensure smooth operation and minimize delays, it's important to follow proper subway etiquette. Stand clear of the doors. Don't block the doors while they are opening or closing. Offer seats to those in need. Priority seating is designated for seniors, pregnant women, and people with disabilities. When using escalators, stand to the right to allow others to pass on the left, facilitating efficient movement within stations. When boarding a train, step aside to let exiting passengers off first, which helps maintain an orderly flow and prevents congestion. Upon reaching your destination, move quickly to exit the train and follow the signs to your desired exit. It's worth noting that no payment is required when leaving the subway system, unlike some other metro systems around the world. Safety tips. Be aware of your surroundings. Keep an eye on your belongings and be mindful of pickpockets. Avoid empty cars. During off-peak hours, avoid riding in empty subway cars. Trust me, if it's empty, there is always a reason. In case of emergency, use the intercom to contact the train operator or station personnel. By familiarizing yourself with these guidelines and the subway's layout, you'll be well equipped to navigate New York City's extensive public transportation network efficiently and confidently. Whether you're a resident or a visitor, mastering the subway system opens up the entire city, allowing you to explore its diverse neighborhoods, cultural attractions, and hidden gems with ease. The subway is not just a means of transportation, it's an integral part of the New York City experience, reflecting the city's energy, diversity, and constant motion.